Thank you for joining me. We are here today to review silver on the 9th of December 2019. Again, this is for my practices only. This is for my record keeping. This is something I like to do and participating and not participating after the fact. Okay, so here we try to be more precision with the price movements and why they go the route that they go. And again, so this is not something of just a record keeping for my records. Okay, all right, so with that being said, we are currently at the question on my prior video for silver was the question of is it going to get to $15 dollars when it was at 18. So I asked a question on my last prior video for silver when it was at is it going to be between 18 and 15, and currently it is at 15,500 spot, 50-cent spot. And so are we going to look for upside movement currently, or are we going to actually approach and get through to the 15? That is the question. And so what I like to do is now look into what silver is doing. I'm on a weekly chart, and so I see this should be a buy area here, and at 16,260 should be an ideal buy area. But are we still pushing to the downside? And the true buy area, is it going to be 770 spot, or are we going to see, let's not talk about the rest, 15,700? Okay, so are we going to see 15,700, 15,650, or are we getting ready to go ahead and push it back to the upside? And if we do push back to the upside, are we getting over 17,445 to be exact? Are we getting over that? Are we going to hold above that question? So there we go. Like I said, I want to keep it simple, and the question remains, are we going to reach the $15 spot with silver? We're currently at the high $16 mark. We've broken through any 17, 18 barriers, but I do see silver for overall buy, and so we're just looking at how it plays itself out to the down for the small pullback. But overall, and how far that will be, is we're in a good buyer's motion now at this point, I feel. But there is a concern. There was another concern, and it is like I say, how we approach this 700 and some mark. How we approach that. Do we start to slow down at that point, or are we coming in pretty strong? Because if we do, we don't want to get all the way down to the $14 mark. That's, it's kind of weird. But I look at more strong bullish side here. True enough, we're gonna have some bulls coming in here, supposedly around this 16,200 and so mark area. But can we get above the actual $17 or so and hold above that before we actually try to approach and see this $15? Okay, thank you again for your patience and your time, and again, happy pips.